Welcome back to Driftport. Today we are diving deep into the insane new 2027 Ford F-200 Raptor. This truck looks like it came straight out of a futuristic action movie. Ford has pushed everything to the next level. Bigger power, smarter tech, more aggressive styling, and off-road performance that feels almost unreal. If you love powerful trucks, then stay till the end because this beast might become the king of all off-road pickups. The front design of the 2027 Ford F-200 Raptor is absolutely wild. Ford gave this truck a much wider stance and a stronger body shape. The huge grille dominates the front with glowing LED lighting built right into the design. The signature amber lights look more aggressive than ever before. The headlights are slimmer and sharper, which gives the truck a futuristic face. Massive skid plates under the bumper make it look ready for any terrain on Earth. The hood design is muscular and raised higher for better airflow and cooling. Large air vents help the engine breathe during high-speed desert runs. Everything about this truck screams power. Even standing still it looks fast and dangerous. From the side the Raptor looks huge. Ford increased the overall width and added larger fender flares. Massive 37-inch off-road tires come standard on higher trims. The truck sits higher than before, which improves ground clearance and off-road capability. New beadlock wheels give it an even more hardcore appearance. The body uses lightweight aluminum and high-strength steel to reduce weight while improving durability. Ford also improved the suspension geometry for better handling at high speeds. The Fox Live valve suspension system is smarter and faster now. It can read the terrain in real time and adjust the dampers instantly. Whether you are driving through sand, rocks, mud, or snow, this truck adapts in seconds. At the rear, Ford added a redesigned tailgate with integrated lighting and a more modern look. The LED taillights stretch wider across the back and give the truck a premium feel. Dual exhaust pipes produce a deep, aggressive sound that makes this truck impossible to ignore. Now let us talk about the heart of this monster. Under the hood, the 2027 Ford F-200 Raptor is expected to carry a high-output twin-turbo V6 engine with more than 700 horsepower. Some reports even suggest a supercharged V8 option could return for hardcore fans. Either way, this truck will be brutally fast. The engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that delivers lightning-quick shifts. Ford also improved throttle response and low-end torque. That means better acceleration and more control during off-road driving. 0 to 60 could happen in under 4.5 seconds, which is insane for a truck this size. The exhaust note has also been upgraded. Drivers can choose different sound modes depending on the mood. Quiet mode is perfect for daily driving, while Baja mode unleashes the full beast. The sound is deep, loud, and extremely aggressive. Off-road performance is where the Raptor truly shines. Ford designed this truck to dominate deserts, mountains, forests, and rocky trails. The upgraded suspension system offers more travel than before, which allows the truck to absorb massive jumps in rough terrain with ease. The terrain management system includes several driving modes like mud, sand, rock, crawl, sport, tow, and Baja. Each mode changes the steering, throttle, suspension, and transmission behavior for maximum performance. Advanced four-wheel drive technology keeps traction strong in all conditions. The underbody protection is stronger now with reinforced skid plates protecting the engine, transmission, and fuel tank. Electronic locking differentials improve grip during extreme off-road situations. This truck is basically a factory-built off-road racing machine. Inside the cabin, the 2027 Ford F-200 Raptor feels modern, luxurious, and high-tech. Ford completely redesigned the dashboard with a cleaner layout and larger digital displays. A huge infotainment screen sits in the center with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable and displays off-road data, performance stats, navigation, and camera views. Premium materials cover the seats, dashboard, and doors. Soft leather, carbon fiber accents, and ambient lighting create a premium atmosphere. The seats are larger and more supportive, especially during aggressive driving. Heated and ventilated seats come standard on higher trims. Rear passengers also get more legroom and comfort than before. Ford added several smart storage solutions throughout the cabin. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a powerful premium sound system make long drives more enjoyable. The panoramic sunroof adds an open feeling to the interior and gives passengers an amazing view during adventures. Safety technology has also improved significantly. The 2027 Raptor includes advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a new semi-autonomous highway driving mode. Ford also added multiple exterior cameras that help drivers during tight off-road situations. Drivers can see obstacles, rocks, and trail conditions directly on the screen, which improves confidence and safety. Fuel economy is expected to improve slightly thanks to engine upgrades and lighter construction. Some rumors even suggest a hybrid version could arrive later with more torque and better efficiency. That could make the Raptor even more powerful while reducing fuel consumption. The towing capacity is also expected to increase. This truck will easily handle boats, trailers, campers, and heavy equipment. Whether you use it for work, adventure, or daily driving, the Raptor is built to do everything. One of the biggest reasons people love the Raptor is its personality. This is not just a truck. It is an experience. Every time you start the engine you feel excitement. Every acceleration feels powerful. Every off-road trail becomes an adventure. Ford understands what truck fans want, and the 2027 Raptor delivers on every level. It looks tougher, drives faster, feels smarter, and performs better than ever before. This truck is designed for people who want freedom, power, and adrenaline all in one package. Pricing is expected to start around $80,000 for the base model, while fully loaded versions could cross $100,000. That is expensive, but considering the technology, power, and capability it offers, many fans will see it is worth every dollar. The 2027 Ford F-200 Raptor is more than just a pickup truck. It is a statement, a machine built to dominate roads, trails, deserts, and mountains. Ford has taken everything people loved about previous Raptors and pushed it even further. So what do you think about this insane off-road beast? Would you drive the new 2027 Ford F-200 Raptor every day, or take it straight into the wild? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more epic car and truck content right here on Driftport. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.